Hi everybody, this is Bonnie from Bonnie's Creative Place, and I am going to do a fall Thanksgiving scrapbooking page with you guys. I just ordered the paper in the online, and then I had ordered the background paper. I don't know why I didn't order as a kit, and that's what I wanted, so I don't have any directions for this. If you don't buy it as a kit, you don't get the directions like when I did the Halloween one. So my plan or my thought in this, so if you want, this is an online brochure of the new scrapbooking ones. When our new catalog comes out later this year, there will be a category for the scrapbooking kits, but right now we're just doing it online. And I did not realize this, like when I just ordered the paper, you get the stickers in the paper. Like I ordered this for the B one, and I just ordered these 3 things, and I just get that. I did not realize that if you want the kit to get the directions and everything, you have to order the kit, which actually is cheaper. I don't know why I did it the other way. But at any rate, I did that, and that's all you need. The kit you can make these pages. They give you suggestions on other ideas that you can make if you buy the stamp set and dies or whatever that goes with it. So you get other designs, and the paper is a little bit different. Like this yellow paper is not in this pack. So, or this pack. So there is advantages and disadvantages to ordering it like that. So because the fall one is not in this, it's online, and I want to say it's the paper. Now at least I ordered the paper, and I want to say it was on sale because for some reason also I only ordered this paper over the fall. I don't know what I was doing. So anyways, now I got this, and I got this little pack of stickers. And what I thought, oops, I'm very sorry about that. My dog is barking at the neighbors next door. If he gets too crazy, I will pause the video. So what I thought is, because I bought the Halloween kit and I have this, I'm going to try and recreate this one, but using fall stickers and such and paper. And I'm going to try to recreate this one. And I might change the photo directions or something because I do have photos. Something new that's also that you can look at online, in the back of the brochure, or when you go online and you look at the scrapbooking stuff, they have these things that are called flip-flops. And what it is I'm going to show you in the video, because I'm going to use some of these. If you have more photos than you don't want to have like a ton of 1 year of Christmas, or maybe you have 4 photos and you want them all on that page, but there's just not enough room for that one page. If you cut one that is like a 3x3, you could put this over top of it after you put your page protector on, and then you add this with your pictures in it, and then you will have more photos, and it's an interactive way to add to your scrapbooking page, and you're going to see that in this video. Now I am going to just fast forward through this. I'll show you an end product at the end, and I'm just going to work. I'm not going to explain what I'm doing or anything. Just follow along. I hope you enjoy it, and thanks for hanging out with me. decided that these two pieces are going to be my base. So we're going to work with the first one first. We're going to do page 1. Then I decided that I wanted to use this piece down so that there was a 1/2 inch all the way around the paper, like that. So I'm going to bring in this. Very hard to cover this paper up, but luckily you get quite a few sheets in this pack, so you can make quite a few pages. Okay, and now we will line this up the best I can, because I just wanted a 1/2 inch around the whole thing. I'm going to eyeball it. Actually, it's a 1/4 inch I'm having all the way around it. No, don't stick. It's not quite where I want it. Maybe I better go like this. Used to working with the littler cardstock. There we go. So now I have that. And I'm undecided. I really think I want this side on the page. So I am going to go ahead and put this down. Okay. So we're going to put this, it's about that much is showing. There we go. So we have that. And then I chose the dark brown as my photo mats. And so now I just got to pick out the photos. Here, these 2 pictures in there. Okay. Okay, now let's see what stickers or fun things we can use down here. This autumn leaf right here. Yeah, like that. Yeah, I think I like that. And then I'm just gonna put the date there, and this will be page 1. Let me put the date over here while I got it right here still. It's 2024. There we go. Okay, And now the next page we're going to do, we're going to have this as the background. I ended up not using that. So I'm back. I went ahead and put the protector on this one page for now. And then what you're going to do is you're going to peel. Okay, I do have this off from there. You're going to peel this off. And then, do I fold this down? I believe so. And you put this right over top of the picture that's in there. And you fold that down, and then you have a flip and flop page. I wonder if you're supposed to put it, if I ruin this one, I'll have to put a new one on. I don't know if you're supposed to do that, because that was right over top of the picture. I'm thinking you're supposed to put it this way. So if that's the case, I gotta reverse my pictures, because I want my pictures the order that I had them. Like this. Yes, I think this is it. And then you line this up with the picture. So the sticky is here. You don't fold it under. And then you put this down. Just like that. Yes, much better. You don't see it. When I flipped it up, you saw the thing on the next picture, and I didn't like it. So then if you're flipping through the book, this is your protector. Your picture has a protector, but you could flip it up. Oops, I put my nephew in. Gotta put him in upside down. Okay. So then, it's all a learning curve. Okay, I need him wrong way. I need him in upside down. Okay. okay. And then when you flip it up, you have more pictures. So it just makes it a little more interacting. So, and I could write right down here, flip. And then they'll see that they flip it up, and then you have it. And I absolutely love it. And they have all different sizes if you guys are interested in this. They have the 4x4s. They have the 3x4s. And then the 3x3s. And there was a couple... And then they have 4x6s. That's what it is. So they can go this way or this way. So if you want it to flip, you know, flip that way, you can. Or you can have it flip up, which makes it nice. So they have that, and then they have their memory page protectors too. So yes, so this is what I did. Let me get the other one out. This one doesn't have the page protector on it yet, and hopefully you can get a good glimpse of it. But this is what I did, and I hope you guys will give it a shot. It goes to show, don't get rid of these directions, save them, because I just changed things up and recreated a scrapbook page from the Halloween and turned it into a fall type page. So there you go. So thanks for stopping by, everybody. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.